mula sa puso ng dagat sulok, isa sa pinakamatandang bayan mula sa mga isla ng Panay, kasalukuyang bahagi ng lalawigan ng Palawan, ang isang bayang kilala bilang John Friendly Local Governance Awardee, Anti-Drug Abuse Council Awardee, Peace in Order Council Awardee, Local Council for Protection and Children Awardee, Local Committee Against Trafficking and Violence Against Women and Children Awardee, Person with Disability Affairs Office Awardee, ang bayang nababalot ng kwento ng Hiwaga at Misteryo, masisilaya, ang napakagandang makulay at mayapaisong ilalim ng dagat, itinagmamalaki ang Tubatan National Park bilang isa sa mga National Heritage Site ng Panamanang Cagayan City. Headed by our Municipal Mayor, Engineer Sir Estapalia, Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Lourdes Sinoy, Sangguniang Bayan Members, Honorable Judge C. Opacan, Honorable Buena Sosa Nalitima Banwa, Honorable Mayor Lisa Sibunales, Honorable Jerry F. Pungad, Honorable Elma C. Fabila, Honorable Freddy F. Inaño, Honorable Aniliana Pibuñao, Honorable Moya P. Uso, ABC President, Honorable Romeo B. Sapico, FK Federation President, Honorable Rones Adelado Jr., IPMR, Honorable Jotam Estapalia, Municipal Department Heads, Vanessa R. Baga, Sheena Marie G. Rabang, Rogelio M. Bunyag Jr., Kit Lawrence B. Bunyag, Velma C. Magbanwa, Janet B. Bunyag, Joseph C. Padon, Hannah Rose B. Sesabishon, Zola G. Caliga, Annalyn B. Capos, Aris B. Bunales, Delegation Head, Mr. Johnny G. Aburot, Athletic Manager, Melbourne C. Abrina. Ang gusto namin gol! Ang iyong pagmamasdan! Magbilang! Dagdagan! Pagandahin! Kaya ba ba? Kaya manalo! Kaya ang gold! Kaya ang champion! Once again, sulong mga abahan, mga akay, Cagayan City Athletic Delegation!
Maraming salamat Cagayan City Athletic Delegation.
And now we have Coron Athletic Delegation.
Magandang hapon, bayan ng Batanasa! I am Coron! We are Coron! This afternoon's representations the brightest and the bravest Spartan souls move forward, bringing